welcome back to another video today, guys. So this is actually one of my first times playing this game, although I do know how to sell scrap and all that, but this is going to be the first of the series. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to my cousin, Lincoln. Listen, he's gonna have to accept that.
Hey!
Alright, Kay.
Where are we going?
Alright.
I want to go to Skippy.
Okay. Lincoln.
What?
We should go in the forest. The forest looks fun. Oh, I'm mine.
Wait, I need to buy a backpack. Wait.
Oh, I'm mine.
Wait.
Hey, can you buy me a flashlight?
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Alright, give me a flashlight. Give me a flashlight.
It has a flashlight on it.
I know. Experienced. I think he's got maybe 20 hours in this game. So
By the way, Shorty, they hit a new update, so there might be.
What's that?
So do you want to come down
fun.
here? Wait! Take
What's
the
that?
flashlight off. There's an anglerfish on it. He does not like lights.
I can't
He
take the
doesn't like
light off.
flashlights.
How do I take the light off?
No! To go to that park. Don't go to that anglerfish. Don't go to that freaking monster. I swear to God, if you go to that monster, you're gonna be dead. You little.
Responding. Okay, starting off with the video is very chaotic. Lincoln, you in? Roger. Coming in. Over.
Your backpack, I'm stuck.
Alright. Okay, flashlight. Give me a flashlight.
Get your backpack. Don't. Okay. Now, try. You see, like.
Is that like purple green lights?
Yeah, it's
okay,
red.
okay.
You stop. It's green when you go. But would you see a fish? Would you see a fish? Don't take off the flashlight and point it down because he does not like. He does not.
Oh, we both died.
Hey, sit on the couch and watch my evil phones. You're making a video.
Alright.
Wait, look. You want to hit someone? You want to see the.
Okay. I want to see, what can we buy?
Get your booty cheeks. By the way, there's a camera.
Ooh.
You can take pictures. There's also
Lincoln?
a red flashlight.
Lincoln, our goal
Yeah.
is to get the shotgun. Oh, that's our goal. We need a shotgun.
Shorty,
What?
that's like 4,000. That's like 11.99. You changed the shotgun twice.
Yeah.
How the hell are you gonna get there?
That's the goal for the end of the video. Alright.
Hey,
Lincoln, come here.
I found a camera.
Where?
There's a camera in the shop.
Okay,
Here.
come here.
Wait, no, you can take pictures of monsters.
Ooh.
Look. I'm gonna buy a
How does
flashlight.
this work?
You
Alright,
hold
buy me a flashlight. buy me a
the
flashlight.
RB button. You hold
RB?
which one? The red one or the normal one?
What's the difference?
There's a red one. Look. Did you just take a picture of me? My fat ass.
Alright,
Wait, let me take. No, give me my picture. No, stay still. Yeah. God damn!
What the hell?
Look at that yacht! And by the way, you see the red thing? When it goes down, you can rebirth.
Okay.
Okay, what shotgun do you want? I mean,
Flashlight.
What
Just give me
flashlight?
a flashlight. Just give me a flashlight.
okay, I have to put it in the cell.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Don't get the backpack. Don't get the backpack.
I'm gonna take a picture.
That's too far. You have to get closer. I'll take a picture of this bitch. Let her come close. I took a picture. Okay, so you took a picture and you see
Lincoln.
I'm gonna buy the stuff.
I'm petrified from that.
Holy shit. Look at me. I just glowed money. Come here.
Oh, we're Charlie.
Look, I just got to a, I got to like, I'm literally at, look. I wasn't at that. Wait, that's not almost done. You know how to get the witches.
Can you get me a crowbar? Can you get me a crowbar? I need a crowbar. Yes. Crowbar's my destiny.
You know what? How about this? Them like this, hold them like this, turn your controller like upside down, and then drop them, press B. So press A.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna... Fuck's sake. Okay, I need this crowbar, because I'm broke. Wait!
What the?
Did you die?
I stepped on a
I'll
lemon!
be
Crowbar.
Get your crowbar. I have your crowbar.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, wait, Johnny, look at you. I'm broke now. You spent all the money on crowbars. I'm literally broke. wait, Johnny.
What?
Hey, I need to buy you back.
Alright.
I'm getting one.
Quick question, can we kill the red light, green light monster thing here?
What's the crowbar?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
Right, okay. I'm gonna go kill it.
I call the green light red light guy a bitch. Cause she's
Right.
always annoying.
It's a she.
No, hold up. Let's go and hit it like this.
How do I?
Hold up. Just like, hold it. Yeah, there.
I got it.
Now it's killed. No, don't go to him. He's angry. He is not nice. No, he is not
I
nice.
can't see.
Would you put his flashlight to him? He is not nice. Hey, stop. Wait, where's
Oh, flashlight.
my red light?
Oops.
I'm not. Oh my god, she's scary as fuck. Come here.
Huh?
Ah!
What?
Go here.
What the? What the? What the? What?
We need to flash. We're all
Okay.
alive.
I'm up.
I can't see a shit.
Like, what are you doing? Lincoln?
Oh, and give me the flashlight. Give me the flashlight. Ah!
Oh no. It's a professor.
Where's the bitch?
It's right there. It's on the staircase.
Where?
Yeah.
Ah! Yeah, why is
Go
she
kiss
in the gallery chest?
Go kiss her.
Mwah.
Lincoln? Lincoln? No! 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 Bro's dead! Bro's dead!
Okay, then now we know. Don't touch them.
Are you alright?
Gonna give him a smooth kiss, and she let me do, and then she just made me kill.
Die. I'm gonna try and climb back up. Ah.
Sure, I'm gonna do a backflip, buddy. Don't you dare! I wanna do a backflip. I'm gonna do a backflip, buddy. Wait, Shorty, I'm gonna do a backflip,
Cool.
buddy. I'm gonna do a backflip over here.
Come on.
In
Quick.
2.
Sure. Alright, come here, Lincoln. Follow me.
I just fucking died. Where are you going?
Just follow me. I wonder what that is. Because it looks like you can get now.
It doesn't look like me. It doesn't look like me. No,
Mama.
wait. Let me cannibal! And the thing is Godzilla! No, it's not real! Yo, this is Zero Galaxy. We're about to Zero Galaxy. Remember in this, no, when you were supposed to start playing this game, and we didn't know, and we... I need help. I'm in a pig box. Flashlight, give me!
Oh, you stole
I got it.
Flashlight, you sussy bugger.
Okay, go get it! Oh my god, I saw that fall! Oh, this on the tendencies!
What the?
On the west.
Oh. What the? Where's it going?
It's me right, friend. Don't touch them! Would you...
Something just killed me. I don't know what happened.
How you they do it, but you did it straight away. I was about to tell you this.
Okay.
Shit. Wait, I got it. Yeah. Stop!
Oh, is that gold?
Oh yeah, we're gonna be witch! Wait, we're gonna be witch! Oh, the stupid bomb! Ah! That's me!
Lincoln, you, copy? Lincoln, there's a bomb guy right next to me.
Yeah, it goes 10 times. And 5 minutes.
Lincoln? I'm still alive. Pete, I'm still alive. Can you come back in the hole? I need some immediate help.
I don't know what hole you're talking about.
Lincoln, I'm in the hole.
Audio! Come down!
Are you in the hole? Yes or no? Shoot.
Where are you?
Red light, green light monster in the hole.
What?
Red light, green light monster. In the hole thing, you know, where we just were.
I didn't die!
Hey Lincoln, come here, there's loads of loot.
Don't touch them, remember!
Lincoln, I've got some gold.
Umbrella!
What?
No!
How did I die? How did I die?
Hey! You lost your backpack, B!
Alright, and come back.
You actually watch all your...
Quick question, once we go in the hole, how do we exactly get back?
Surely we have to go to Silverski, or we can go... Why did you press B?
What?
You go! It's all gone! No, your backpack's deleted! Lucas!
Do you have my flashlight?
Lucas, would you... Oh! Ow!
Flashlight?
By the way, that's what the mobs do, they don't blow you up, Jesus. This is easy. But I'm going to tell you, you know the.
What the?
Those can kill you! Those can kill you! I know the exit. Shooty! Follow me, okay?
Oh my god! Look how much loot there is. Okay, get all that in there.
Put it in. Put that in. No, Shorty, keep this. Look at it. Look at you use the ultimate. Look, ready.
Ready. Cool.
That's it.
Hey, can I have the
And it's
backpack?
important.
Can I have the backpack? Can I have the backpack?
You can basically be Spider-Man, look. Wait, what the hell? Wait. Oh yeah!
I found a banana. I've got a banana. Hey, I found a banana.
Should I don't think this is off yet, Apple? Should I follow me? I know that exit is.
Make it as light as
It's
you
must. There's a pogo stick! No, man! It's action!
Gold.
Yo, it's a real pogo stick!
Thank you.
Shorty, I know the exit. I know the
I found some
exit.
gold.
I know the exit.
I found some gold.
I can't climb them. Holy shit! Ah! Go down! Bananas down there. The big one. Yo, I got worms. By the way, Shorty, was I? No, Shorty, take the backpack, and I take those because no, the backpack's full. No! The soda just fell. Okay, we need to make sure nothing falls. No, it's full. The backpack's full. So I have to play this. Because I die, I have to go bar. No, Shorty did.
What?
Look, we jump here. Jump. Be confident.
No!
You're so bad at this game, bro.
Well, maybe next time you should have the backpack. Or if you want to complain that much.
I'm coming back. Wait for me. Don't jump down.
I'll come.
Wait. What?
I'm gonna end the video.